So today we are doing this USA blank. Well, it looks like the USA. It's got red, blue and white on. It's for a customer who wants it. We know the shape that they want. So let's begin. Into a cylinder. I put some markings on similar to the ones that we did yesterday. Now we're going to actually turn the pen into a diamond painting pen and put some shape in it so that it just doesn't look like a cylinder. Now that we've got the shape of the pen, this is slightly different to the one that they actually wanted, but I hope it's still okay. We're now going to sand it to get all these scratch marks out and to make it smooth, and then I'll micro mesh it, which is also sanding, and that'll give it the shine and perfect finish. So keep watching to see the finished product. Now to do the micro meshing. This is where the pen comes to life. Here's our final product. At the moment it's still on the lathe, don't get me wrong, so I'll have to take it off, put an end in this end and an end in that end, and hopefully the customer will love it. I'll take some close-up pictures now and they'll be attached to the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe to see more pen tuning videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. This is the pen on the lathe, just to give you a quick example of what it looks like. So we have two little rings here, and then two bigger ones here, and then three little bumps on both sides. Hope you like it. Thank you.